Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 3 best LG vacuum cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is LG CordZero A9 Ultimate Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner A907GMS. The first thing that impressed us about LG CordZero A907GMS is its multiple accessories. It even has 2 cleaner heads, one for carpets and another one for hard floors. This, in addition to the sheer efficiency and ease of use, makes it the best LG vacuum. One of the tools known as the Power Punch nozzle is a brushless hand tool that agitates surfaces and removes embedded dirt. It cleans impressively well without the usual tangling that affects vacuum brush rolls. Also, you get a crevice tool, a combination tool, and a telescoping wand. The stand is another helpful tool. It's easily portable, and apart from being a charging base, it also acts as a storage base for accessories such as the crevice tool. It's also easy to fix and will hardly leave a mark on your wall. We also like that the LG CordZero A9 Ultimate's lithium-ion battery is removable. Besides, the unit comes with 2 of them, meaning that you don't need to pause cleaning to recharge. The batteries combined can give you more than 1 hour of cleaning on normal mode. Lastly, this unit easily converts into a handheld vacuum for quick cleanups of above-floor areas. Therefore, the cleaning of upholstery, drapes, stairs, and so on will not require an extra vacuum. Number 2. Our second best pick is LG CordZero A9 Charge Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner A905RM. It is with the introduction of the LG CordZero A9 Charge that we learned that the best LG vacuum feature is that you can wash the cyclone system alongside the filters. This helps to maintain and prolong the service life of these vacuums. Unlike other models, LG CordZero vacuums use a pre-filter, a fine dust filter, and a cyclone filter. All other features in this vacuum are similar to other CordZero stick vacuums. However, it doesn't come with an extra floor head that is available with the newer LG CordZero A9 Charge Plus and Ultimate. So, expect efficient cleaning coupled with excellent filtration that keeps allergens at bay. It has a 5-stage filtration system that takes care of this. Also, it's controlled with a single touch button with on and off options and suction control. The vacuum also uses 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. You may opt to detach while charging or charge as you vacuum. Both batteries run for a maximum period of 80 minutes and have an indicator light to alert on charge status. The LG CordZero A905RM is also suitable for cleaning all floor types as well as upholstery and other above-floor areas. To reach far areas like the ceiling, you need to transform the vacuum to handheld and extend the telescoping wand. Other accessories include a combination tool and a crevice tool. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is LG CordZero A9 Charge Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Another great option for anyone looking for the best LG vacuum is the CordZero A9 Charge Plus. If you have experienced hard times cleaning pet hair and pet dander from carpets or upholstery, you just landed the best LG vacuum that deeply and thoroughly cleans all surfaces. Thanks to its cleaning heads, direct drive motor, pet dander, and other debris are no match for the CordZero A9 Charge Plus. Another plus for this vacuum is its effectiveness in getting rid of allergens. Dust, pollen, pet dander, mold, and all sorts of pollutants go through the 5-step filtration system and are totally eliminated. The filters include a pre-filter, a metal dust filter, and a fine dust filter. LG CordZero A906SM also comes with 2 removable and rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Besides, you can clean and charge simultaneously. The two batteries combined give you close to 1.5 hours of cleaning time. The vacuum's wattage is 400 watts. Also, just like the CordZero A9 Ultimate, it has a range of useful accessories. These include a combination tool, a telescoping wand, and a crevice tool. You also get two cleaner heads, a universal power nozzle and a power floor nozzle. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.